Hi Cappy, how are you doing? Welcome to your Hermit monthly reading for April. We are going to do something a little bit different. I'm not going to do the past, present, future reading. I'm going to focus more on the energy surrounding you, the person you're dealing with. I'm asking specifically for love, but if career wants to show up, then I'm going to read it as career, okay? What else? We have some news. I'm going to start doing some cusp readings somewhere in April, not sure when. I'm going to upload a video, the first video about cusps, okay? We're going to check the energies. If you don't know what cusp is, it's when there's a shift from one sign to another, when a sign is setting and the other sign is rising. There's like a 5-6 days period. If you don't know, if you are a cusp, I'm going to link in the description a link to a website that I really like, and it has everything explained there, okay? So you can definitely check it out. And let's get started with your reading. Let's see. Okay. So for Capricorn, mid-monthly reading for the rest of April. Okay, this one too. Anything? Whoop, okay. Today we are talkative. For Capricorn, please. Anything else? Okay. Okay. So we got quite a few. Let's see. Okay. So we got here impatience and facade. We got mysticism, bittersweet, isolation, and creation. So I feel like you're trying to make excuses not to work on your past, not to work on your little devils that we all have, okay? It's not something that it's only you, we all have our demons inside us. And this one, I feel like it comes from childhood specifically. Something that you're like, oh, I want to move on, I don't want to feel like this, but at the same time, you're always making excuses not to do it, okay? Because I feel like it may be a little bit scary to work on it. It's something new. And I'm saying that this is you, but some of this energy could be from the person you're dealing with, okay? The energy could be shared. But now that we're talking about the other person, I feel like this over here is the person you are dealing with, the bittersweet and the creation. I feel like this person is going to show you, the roles could be reversed, okay? It could be you showing them a new way of walking, a new road with a lot of passion, a lot of creativity. Okay, let's see what the moments angels have to say. You have a lot of throat chakra, so you might not be communicating a lot, and you have some troubles talking about what you've been through, and I feel like that is going to be very, very necessary here, okay? That is what you need to work on for the rest of April. So let's see what the romance angels have to say for you for the rest of April, mid-month. So, ooh, okay, I like it. So we got the flirt, oops, let go of control issues, engagement, and soulmate. That is beautiful. So if you're already in a relationship, I feel like this is evolving to the next level, and that could actually be the, maybe not the issue, but the thing that you're like so impatient of, you know, of them never proposing to you. And I feel like the if it is a proposal that you're waiting for, you just need to let go of control. You know, just go with the flow wherever it wants to lead. Just flirt a little bit, you know, just enjoy the things that you have right now. And I feel like while you're doing it, you're going to face some issues from childhood. You're going to maybe not face it, well, face, but like it's going to really, you're going to realize it, that you have those issues that you need to work on. And the moment you start thinking about them and you start working on them, the engagement is going to show up. Okay? If you're not in a relationship, this could be just someone coming towards you to start like a relationship. Let's see. This is for Cappy. And the last one. Alright, let's take a look. Let's get one for the overall energy. Ooh, okay. And this one kind of wants to come out too. With this one. Okay. We got a lot for the overall energy. You're very talkative today. Jesus. Not that I'm complaining, okay? I like it. So, as the overall energy, you got the Death card, the Star, and Ace of Wands. So, a new beginning. Again, I feel like it's something that you've been waiting for a long, long time. It could be a relationship changing, again, to the engagement part. I feel like things are going to spice up in all meanings, okay? Because there is a lot of, you know, you got the flirt, you got the creation, the Ace of Wands, a lot of flirt, a lot of passion and fire energy. Okay, that is very, very beautiful. So you got a new beginning here. And the Star card is wish fulfillment, but it's also healing. So I feel like it's going to be the both at the same time. While you have the wish fulfillment, it's going to show you some things that you need to heal from, that you possibly weren't expecting, that you weren't seeing. Yeah, let's see your energy. That was quick. Oh my god. Jesus. Your energy, please. Anything else for Capricorn? Capricorn's energy. Jesus, I almost got my whole deck out for you. Oh god. Okay, let's see. Let's got this one. Okay. So yeah, 9 of Cups, wish fulfillment, the same energy as the Star. You're something you've been wishing and asking for the universe for the longest time is coming your way, okay? You got two aces here, Ace of Cups and Ace of Pentacles. So definitely three aces with the Ace of Wands, wow. So I do feel like this is in a relationship that you already have. We're a relationship from the past. You could be friends right now. If you're not already in a relationship, you could be friends. And it may evolve to something more than friends. Okay, Seven of Pentacles. You are kind of work focused. But at the same time, you're controlling this relationship a lot with the Emperor there. You may be doing a lot of things at the same time, which may not be the best thing to do right now, okay? And I feel like what you need to do is like to slow it down a little bit, okay? And just be open to this new beginning. When this new beginning comes, you may need to take a little bit to go into that childhood issue. You may ask for help from friends, go out a little bit, you know, just take some time, some time to, that was so confusing. Take some time to yourself, okay, to heal, to have fun, to just take care of yourself, you know, so you can be ready for this new beginning. Okay, let's see. Let's put this into a corner and let's see the energy of the person you're dealing with. The person Capricorn is dealing with. What else, please? Give me something else. Okay. Anything else? Okay. So your person, on the other hand, is not very talkative. So we got the Two of Wands and the Queen of Swords for your person's energy. So with this, I'm kind of getting that they are not really showing their feelings to you. However, they are looking into that possibility of sharing something. They might have been, well, if you weren't resonated with the childhood issues that you have to face, it could be them, okay? It could be them that they need to work on that. Especially having this Queen of Swords. They could have commitment issues. And you, on the other hand, are very eager to, you really want this. And I feel like you're putting in the work a lot. They could be the ones with the commitment issues, for example. Or just some issue. But them being blocked, they might have abandonment issues, control issues. But I feel like from your part, you just need to let go. Don't try to, you know, you want that outcome. That outcome is coming towards you, okay? Don't control the path that you take there, okay? Because with that bittersweet card, it might not, the path might not be, to get into the house, you might not have to enter through the door, you might have to enter through the window, okay? So be open to that. Be open to different paths, different routes, so you can get to that outcome that you hope, that you want, that you wish, that you hope for. On their side, I feel like they are still looking at how to exactly approach you. That's kind of what I'm getting. They are very blocked emotionally. So, yeah, Nine of Pentacles, bottom of the deck. They could be holding on to their stability, to their independence. Especially having the Knight of Wands. They could have been a player. Or just, like, commitment issues. That's what I'm getting. So let's see your feelings towards this person. I don't know if 1515 means something to you, but I just saw it. So yeah, synchronicity. It might be a message for you. It could be a message for me, I don't know. But yeah. Let's see your feelings towards this person, please. Woo, okay. We got a lot. Anything else? Of course. Oh my god. Okay. That's quite enough. So, we got a lot of different energies here. Okay, so I'm going to group some of these cards as they came out. Okay, so the first ones we're going to look at is these 5 of Swords, 2 of Swords, 5 of Pentacles, Knight of Wands. So you could be the one scared with the abandonment issues, for example. You could have been through, your past might have not been the easiest one. You could have dealt with a lot of players, and that kind of hurt you and it marked you. And that might be the thing that you need to take care of, because that could lead to some self-deception, especially having that 5 of Swords. With the Chariot, I feel like you want to move things and want to move them fast. You also have the Impatient card. So again, don't try to control things too much. Let them unfold as they wish to unfold, okay? The Fool is very that being present, just doing things because you want to do them right at that moment. Okay, don't overthink, because there is this 8 of Swords. You're overthinking a lot, and what you're overthinking a lot is, I kind of feel like, is looking for ways to approach them, or even thinking about every single thing that they say, every single thing that they do, and what does that mean for you, because of that past of being manipulated, of being decepted, of being hurt. Now you have to overthink everything because you're scared of getting hurt. However, the Fool card came right next to the 10 of Wands, 6 of Wands. So you're overcoming all these burdens into the new beginning. You're letting go of control issues. And that is very, very nice. I like it a lot. So let's pull some cards for how they feel for you. Ooh, okay. Ooh, Jesus. How does the person Capricorn is dealing with feels towards Capricorn? What are their feelings? Okay. Okay. Now they're talkative. Anything else? Their feelings towards Capricorn, please. Okay, so we got the 3 of Swords, the High Priestess, the Wheel of Fortune, 6 of Pentacles. So this is very, very good, because I feel like they are not, they could have been very hurt in the past too, because of this 3 of Swords. And that's why they may have the commitment issues, because every time that they thought about it, they were heavily hurt. Okay? But I feel like slowly, I don't see this happening very quickly, but slowly, they are changing. They are tuning in more to their intuition. Okay? And things are changing for them. I feel like they are making it possible for you to give and to receive from both sides, okay? And I feel like they are a little bit scared of this, but they are slowly changing this perspective of them. However, this new beginning seems like it's going to happen very, very fast. So the process to get to that new beginning might take a little bit, okay? But yeah. I don't see them having bad intentions, okay? I just feel like they were very hurt in the past, and it may take them a while to open up again. Yeah, it may take them a while to open up again, and you need to have a little bit of patience, okay? They need time to heal and to kind of change their mindset to open up. But yeah, everything is looking good, Capricorn, okay? So don't really worry about it. Just go with the flow, okay? Go with the flow. So this is what I have for you. I hope this helped and resonated somehow, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.